Welcome to this video tutorial on hand. I'll be teaching you how to download files. How to download files for your creative designs. How to download files for your design creation. So I'll just log on to my web browser. If you're using a Google Chrome, you're using the Opera Mini, any of your choice. Just click on the web link and enter freepix.com and hit the go button. Now we are going to have the environment or the home page for freepix.com. I would advise you sign up on this site so that you can access more templates per day. Sign up and always log in whenever you want to make use of this website. Now at this point we have all resources. We have search all resources. So whatever thing you want to search for, all you need to do is to click it, input it in the search box area, and then you also select the type of file that you want to use. Now I'm going to click all resources. You can see the drop down arrow, and then I'm going to click on free. Please note we have free files here. We also have premium files. The premium files are the files you are going to purchase. But now I'm not making use of the premium files. I want to make use of the free files. So I'll click on free, and I also click on vectors. I want to go one after the other. Free and vectors. Now there is something about these vector files. Vector files are those files that we open directly on Adobe Illustrator. So when you are using Adobe Illustrator, you can download either business cards, you can download product flyers in vector files, and then once you download, you unzip, it takes you straight to Adobe Illustrator. But if you choose a PSD file, it will take you straight to Adobe Photoshop. That is when you unzip the downloaded file. So I'm going to click on vector, and then I'm going to click on the search area. What I'm searching for, let me search product flyer, and I click on search. Product flyer and search. Now I'm going to have different flyers designs. Different flyer designs that if I download them and I unzip, once I open the file after unzipping, it takes me straight to Adobe Illustrator, and I'll be able to make every kind of editing on this particular flyer I've designed. For example, if I should click on any of the design here, I will download it and then unzip after downloading, and once I launch the vector file itself after unzipping, it opens up in Adobe Illustrator for proper editing. So you can search any designs of your choice at this particular point. Make sure you click on free template. If you have chosen a premium, that means you have to pay before you can purchase. Now let me order search for business card. Okay, let me search for roll-up banners, and hit the search button. Let's see what we are going to have. So these are examples of roll-up banners, vector files that you can download and edit on Adobe Illustrator. Now let me go to PSD files. I'll go back to resources. I'll remove vectors and I'll click on PSDs. Now I also search for roll-up banners, PSDs, and usually these are used for your mocking up. When you want to mock up design, you have made a roll-up banner design, or you have made a business card design, and then you want to mock it up, want to present it to your client. This is how you're going to go about it. All you need to do is to download PSD file of that particular design you have created. Now you have designed a roll-up. Just look for a PSD file of roll-up banners, download it, install, and then unzip. After unzipping, you select the PSD file of the file you have unzipped, and then it opens automatically. Once you click, it opens automatically on Adobe Photoshop. The same thing, vector files open up on Adobe Illustrator. So these are examples of PSD files, and they are also free for download. Alright, let's also go back to icons. Let's choose icons and see what we have. Let's type in social media icons. Let's type in social media icons, media, and then hit the search button. Let's see what we are going to have. You can see these are social media icons: the Facebook, the Instagram, the Linkage, the Google Plus, and all the rest. Now I'm going to show you how to download these files. So let me go on with let me choose a vector file, and probably let me choose a product flyer. So I'm going to show you how to download these files. Now all you need to do is to select any desired template of your choice. I'm choosing this. I've clicked that. So let's watch out for what's going to happen next. So scroll down, you're going to have the download link. Now all you need to do is to click on download. Once you click on download, it would ask you to go premium or free download. Go premium or free download. Or because we are downloading free, we are downloading the free template, all you need to do is to click what? Free download. And once you click on free download, it might download automatically and it might not download automatically. Sometimes it's going to ask you to, to attribute, to give attribution to the particular person that produced this template. So all you need to do is to click on copy and attribute. So once you click on copy and attribute, your files automatically downloads. If it does not download after you have just clicked the free download, then you must click on copy and attribute to make the download. And whatever folder you have selected for your storage, the files goes in there. And the next thing to do is to unzip the file, open it up, and get ready for you. So in the next video, I'm going to show you how to unzip the files you have downloaded and how to make use of them in Adobe Illustrator and Adobe Photoshop. Thank you.